All right, guys, what we're going to talk about this morning is how to set up the red dot on your rifles. So rifle setup and where you place the optic is very much a personal decision. However, let me give you some considerations and the way that I typically like to set up my rifles. So what I have here is an Aimpoint H-2 on a Scalarworks 1.93 mount. Typically, I like to run my red dots as far forward on the receiver as possible. The reason for that, it gives me plenty of real estate if I need to run a magnifier or night vision on the back. So what I'm going to do is find the notch where I want, keep steady pressure on the mount and the optic toward the muzzle. All right, so if everybody can hear this little bit of play that I've got in here, I always want to take that slack, that play out, and push it as far forward to the muzzle as possible. Once I do that, keeping steady pressure, I'm going to tighten this screw down as tight as I can. So there's many different mounts out there, throw levers, nuts, bolts. Each one of them is a little bit differently. Typically, this is the way I like to run my setup. Again, for manipulations, when I come back and do an immediate actions or a remedial action, I don't like to have anything that can get in the way of my hand coming back for that charging handle. I don't want to go on the handguard because some rifles are different and you'll have more play in between the receiver and the handguard. As far as slings, lights, lasers, and all that stuff, very personal. That's something you've got to play with, but typically we like to keep the rifle pretty clean.